Find the solution for the homogeneous differential equation y double prime minus y prime minus 11y equals 0. So as usual, we need to make our auxiliary equation, where we choose variable r to represent the amount of derivatives being taken for y. So r squared would mean y double prime minus y prime, or r, minus 11, since we don't include no derivatives being taken for y. So that'd just be r0, which is 1. You just leave out whatever's the coefficient instead, and that equals 0. So you can see pretty quickly that no two numbers can multiply to negative 11 and add to coefficient negative 1. So we have to use the quadratic formula, negative b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, to find the solution for r. We know that a equals 1, b equals negative 1, since that precedes r, and c equals negative 11, the constant. In plugging those numbers in, we get minus minus 1, so plus 1, plus minus the square root of negative 1 squared, which is still 1, minus 4 times a times c, all over 2a, which is 2 times 1. Simplifying, we get 1 plus minus the square root of 1, and we can see 4 times 1 times negative 11 is negative 44, but you're subtracting that, so it'd be plus 44. And that's all over 2, which is 1 plus minus square root of 45 over 2, which you can simplify again. So 1 plus minus square root of 9 times 5, which is 45, and then over 2, and we can take out the 9 from the radical, so it would be 1 plus minus 3 rad 5 over 2. And this represents our solutions for r, the root of the equation. So r1, we can have it be the lesser of the two values, so 1 minus 3 rad 5 over 2, and r2, which can be the greater, 1 plus 3 rad 5 over 2. And we have a case where r1 does not equal r2, our typical evaluation, and y homogeneous would then be c1, a constant to allow a degree of freedom such that there are infinite solutions, e to the r1t, plus c2, e to the r2t. And all we have to do now is plug in r1 and r2, and we have our answer. So moving down here, y homogeneous equals c1, e to the 1 minus 3 rad 5 over 2 t, plus c2, e to the 1 plus 3 rad 5 over 2 t. And that's all. If you have any questions, please leave in the comments below, and good luck.